Hello. So in this video we will learn how to reverse a string. We will use the help of charAt function or method. I have posted a video on this, so you can see that if you don't know what this is. Now what we have to do is, suppose the input is learn, then we want the output to be the reverse of it. So what we can do is, we can run a for loop, or before that let us know what is the index of every character. So L is at 0th index, and E is at 1 index, A is at 2, R is at 3, and is at 4. So what we can do is, we can use a for loop, and we can go from I is equal to 4 to I 0, and we can just print the character at every index using system.out.print. Okay, so let's try to code this. So I will use a scanner class to create an object, so we can take the input from the user. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. System.in means that we are taking the input from the user, and the package I am using for the importing, I am using import java.util.star. It will import a lot of classes, so you can use .star after util. So we want the string first. So string s is equal to sc.next. We will use the next method here. Now what we can do is, for int I is equal to, okay, before that, in Java we can use a method length. This method, when used on strings, gives us the length of the string. Like the length of string Java will be 4, but if you look at the index of each character, then it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the last index is length minus 1. Okay, if I look at the index of let's say skill, then it will be SKSL 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we see the length of skill, then it is 5. Okay, so what we do, we store the length of string s. So how to call the method length of string is s, and type dot, and then type length. So it will automatically give the length, or we can just give the name as n. Now what we do is, for int I is equal to n minus 1, because Java, the length of string Java is 4, but the last index is 3. That's why n minus 1. And like that, we can see in skill, the length is 5, but the last index is 4. So I is equal to n minus 1 till I is greater than or equal to 0, and I we will use I minus minus to go to a lower index each time. Now what we can do is, we can just print s dot car at ith index. So car will return the index at it will return the character at ith index. So if we run this, so let's run this to check if it's correct or not. Okay, so let's type Java, and yeah, it will give us the reverse. Now suppose we want a space, like after A we want a subspace like this A B A G. Then what we can do is, after printing each character we have to print a blank space. So what we can do, in strings we can use the add operator to concatenate strings. We can just use this plus blank space. Now if we run this and type Java, it will return ABAJ. Okay, now there are two methods, system.out.print and system.out.println. So the difference is print and println. So println will start printing from next line after each line. So what I mean is, if I use ln here, then it will print like this. So you can use the help of print and println to see how the output is, and you can print your output according to the desired output. So thank you.